Guys, welcome to my Slingshot arrow project. I drew this last night, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I turned this pattern into a slingshot, and then into this, and finally into this. Guys, this is the finished product. This is my slingshot project, and this slingshot is designed to shoot an arrow. And you can see the arrow in the background. It's 32 inches long. This slingshot is 5 inches wide and is 8 inches long. And let me show you that. There's the 5 inches right here. And there's your 8 inches here. Now, where did I come up with this idea? Watching YouTube, of course. I've been watching many videos of people building slingshots that shoot arrows. And I decided myself, wouldn't it be really cool if I could design something that was one component, not, because on YouTube you see people that go out, they buy the slingshot, and then they modify that purchased slingshot to accommodate an arrow rest. So I thought to myself, I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm just going to design something that has the arrow rest built in. So last night I freehand this, and this is built to scale. Right here, let me show you. It's built to scale. So I drew this up last night, and I did make the arrow rest just a little bit smaller here than I did here. There's no need for that large of an arrow rest, but it's the same design. And what I did, I went out to Lowe's and I purchased a 1x6 that was 2 feet long. It cost me almost 18 bucks. I know everything's expensive these days. And then I think I paid $11 for a box of these bands. The thing I like about these bands is that, look at this. They're made to accommodate an arrow. Normally they come with a leather pouch, but these are made to accommodate an arrow, and that's what I was looking for. Now, they're not very powerful. I would guess this thing is about 15 to 20, 25 pound draw weight maybe. But this is the good news. It's very accurate. I was very pleased with how it shoots. And I'm going to show you some video here in just a few minutes. And as I said, this didn't take a lot of, it didn't take a lot of time. I did all this today. Drew this last night, went to Lowe's, got the 1x4, traced it out this morning, took my jigsaw, cut it out, and guess what? Here it is. I used my Dremel tool, to refine it a little bit, and use sandpaper to smooth it out and to make it look really good. And I think it does. I haven't put any stain on it or any protective coating yet. I'm not exactly certain what I'm going to do there. I may just put a protective coating on it because the wood looks really cool. But anyway, as I said, I'm going to show you guys me shooting it in just a few seconds here. But look, this is a project I feel like anybody can do. As I said, the only tool that was required really was a jigsaw. And I could have sanded this thing without the Dremel tool. But the Dremel tool just makes it, you can refine it and you can make it look, you can make the curves look just a little better. Because the jigsaw has a tendency to make everything look kind of ragged. But you can use sandpaper and other tools to, to make it look very professional. And I think this looks very good. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to go out in the yard and I'm going to shoot this some more. And I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. Look, I think this is a project anybody can do. If you like it, hit the like button below. Please subscribe to the channel. And if you decide to take on this project, give me some feedback. Let us know what you did. You guys take care. Okay, let's see how far it went into the bale. This is how far, there's my finger, and this is how far it went into the bale. Not bad. I hope you guys enjoy this project. Please hit the like button below and please subscribe to the channel. Have a great day, guys.